Onto the Photo Studio. TraderWay offers a really useful tool, which is the Photo Studio tool. This tool allows you to remove the background of any picture and make it look as clean as possible for your website. So if you go to the Photo Studio, you could replace it to any solid color or even the background of your own showroom. Like you could go down a little bit over here and you would upload the background and it would show up here and you would use it. So let's use a solid color for today. In the vehicle section, it's going to search your stock, like let's pick any car. It's going to load the photos of the car. You could select it, choose a clean white background, and click on Continue to Editor. I'm going to move myself a little bit to here. Let's choose a clean white and hit Prepare Edited Image. It's going to prepare it, remove the background, and here you go. You could use the edited image this way.